Are you looking for a shelf where you can put your figurines in?
In this video, we're gonna unbox and build a shelf that we bought off of Amazon for less than $50. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. What's up? It's your boy Malik and your girl
Annie.
And today we're gonna be unboxing and building a shelf and kind of setting up it in the background right here, kind of putting our office together for what we said we were gonna do, the collection. So let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. All right, grab it. Ooh, kind of heavy. Like I said in the intro, this was less than $50. So let's go ahead and open it up. We were looking for a glass shelf. We still might get one,
But those are like $200-$300.
yeah. So if that's what you're looking for, is this like a more affordable shelf for you, then yeah. But we wanted to get something cheap, you know, since we don't have a lot yet and a lot of expensive ones yet. We don't, you know, really care for the last one right now. So we decided to get this one. It's huge. Wow, another box.
Yay.
It's a box within a box. But here we go. Here's it right here. It's 9 cubes. It's a multifunctional storage cube set. So we're gonna go ahead and try to open this up. Just speed it up.
Anyways, now that we got it open, it's kind of heavy, so.
Sorry about that part out.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is here. Alright, let's open this up.
I don't want to break my nails, you know. I just got them done.
Scissors.
Okay. So he doesn't read the steps, so let's see how good he does without it. How are we gonna set it up? Do you want to set it up like stairs or like straight up cubes or like this?
We'll
figure it out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to try different ways.
So just they look like
I don't know what material. It's like a folder material. Like you ever had like a school folder?
like a hard plastic.
I need this gym. Oh, bubble wrap is beating me.
No, it's a tape.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying Carhartt, car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Yeah. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my ass. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line.
Go ahead and see the bam, boom, right there. That's just how it's gonna look. And you got them sitting in there. So honestly, this looks really good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it down on the floor, and we're gonna start adding stuff in there. But you guys will see that in another video. So we'll see you guys in the next video.
Can get the front and we load up and roll. I got kids, yeah, I got staff. I make a little need more. I sell records, you sell packs, not on my level, no. I'm a pop star, I'm a rock star, I'm a winner. Think I'm not hard, you smoke rock hard waste, man, why you dumb? I'm with airline, we on airlines like we on the run. I'm with Tay, girls run up on me.